The power within unleashing your creative spirit. We all possess a wellspring of creativity. It lives inside us. It yearns to be free. Creativity allows us to think differently, to solve problems, and to bring our ideas to life. But sometimes our creative spirit needs a little nudge, a little spark to ignite the fire within. That's where the fun begins. By engaging in playful challenges, we can unlock hidden depths of our creative potential. These challenges act as keys, opening doors to new possibilities. They help us break free from routines and embrace the joy of exploration. A playful challenge embracing the 30 circles exercise. One such challenge, simple yet powerful, is the 30 circles exercise. Developed by Bob McKim, this exercise is a fantastic way to awaken your creative spirit. It's playful, it's engaging, and it's accessible to everyone. The beauty of this exercise lies in its simplicity. No artistic skills are required, just a pen and paper and a willingness to have fun. Step by step, navigating the creative maze. Creativity can often feel like wandering through a labyrinth with twists and turns that can either inspire or confuse. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through this exciting journey. Let's break down the steps of this exciting challenge. First, gather your materials. Whether you're in a park, at home, or anywhere that inspires you, having the right tools is essential. Grab a sheet of paper and your favorite pen or pencil. The simplicity of these tools can unlock a world of creativity. Feel free to use colored pencils or markers if you'd like to add a splash of color to your creations. Next, draw your circles. These circles will be the foundation of your creative exploration. Draw 30 circles on the paper. It might seem like a lot, but each circle is a new opportunity to create something unique. They don't have to be perfect. Imperfection adds character. Embrace the quirks and irregularities. Then, set a timer. Set a timer for 3 minutes. This time constraint encourages you to think quickly and spontaneously, pushing the boundaries of your imagination. It's a fun way to challenge your brain and see what creative ideas you can come up with under pressure. Now, the real fun begins. Use your imagination to transform each circle into something recognizable. Think outside the box. A circle can be the starting point for endless possibilities. A circle could become a sun, radiating warmth and light, a face with expressive features, a ball, ready for a game, a planet, part of a vast universe, or anything else your mind conjures up. The only limit is your imagination. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers in this exercise. It's all about exploring your creativity and having fun. The goal is to let your imagination run wild and have fun with the process. Enjoy the journey through the creative maze and see where your creativity takes you. The 30 circles exercise offers a myriad of benefits, extending far beyond the realm of art. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can be used by anyone, regardless of their artistic ability or experience. This exercise encourages you to think creatively and push the boundaries of your imagination. By engaging in this playful challenge, you'll boost your imagination. The act of transforming simple circles into various objects forces your brain to make new connections and see possibilities where none existed before. This exercise forces you to think outside the box and come up with creative solutions. It's not just about drawing, it's about training your mind to approach problems from different angles and find innovative solutions. The more you practice, the more imaginative you'll become. Enhance your problem-solving skills. Each time you turn a circle into something new, you're honing your ability to think critically and solve problems creatively. Transforming circles into recognizable objects requires creative problem-solving. It's a fun and engaging way to develop your ability to see the potential in simple shapes and turn them into something extraordinary. You'll learn to approach challenges from different angles and devise innovative solutions. Increase your creative confidence. As you see your ideas come to life on paper, you'll gain confidence in your creative abilities. Completing this challenge can boost your creative confidence. It shows you that you have the power to generate ideas and bring them to life. This newfound confidence can spill over into other areas of your life, making you more willing to take risks and try new things. It shows you that you have the power to generate ideas and bring them to life. This exercise is a testament to the fact that creativity is not a talent reserved for a select few, but a skill that can be developed and nurtured. Reduce stress and promote relaxation. Engaging in creative activities like this can be incredibly therapeutic. It provides a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life, and allows you to focus on something enjoyable and fulfilling. Engaging in creative activities like this can be incredibly therapeutic. It allows you to silence the noise of the outside world and tap into a place of inner peace and joy. The repetitive motion of drawing can be meditative, helping to calm your mind and reduce stress. It allows you to silence the noise of the outside world and tap into a place of inner peace and joy. Whether you're drawing alone or with friends, the 30 circles exercise is a wonderful way to ignite your imagination and ingenuity. Here are a few tips to enhance your experience with the 30 circles exercise. This activity is designed to unlock your creativity and push the boundaries of your imagination. Don't overthink it. The beauty of this exercise lies in its spontaneity. Allow your hand to move freely and let your mind wander. Don't overthink your ideas, let them flow naturally. The more relaxed you are, the more creative your circles will become. Embrace imperfection. Your circles don't have to be perfect. In fact, the quirks and flaws in your drawings can make them more interesting and unique. Imperfections add character and uniqueness to your creations. Experiment with different mediums. Try using colored pencils, markers, or even pastels. While pen and paper are the classic tools for this exercise, feel free to experiment with other mediums. You might discover a new favorite way to create. Try using paint, clay, fabric, or any other materials that inspire you. The possibilities are endless, and each medium offers a new way to express yourself. Share your completed circles with friends, family, or on social media. Seeing how others interpret the same challenge can be incredibly inspiring. Spreading the joy of creativity is contagious. By sharing your work, you encourage others to explore their own creativity and join in the fun. The true magic of the 30 circles exercise lies in its ability to unlock hidden potential. As you engage in this playful challenge, you might be surprised by the ideas that emerge. You might discover hidden talents or passions you never knew you had. Remember, creativity is not a destination, it's a journey. It's about embracing the process, exploring new possibilities, and having fun along the way. So, are you ready to unlock your creative potential? I invite you to embrace the 30 Circles Challenge and embark on an exciting journey of self-discovery. You might be amazed by what you create,